do with this. And then, of course, nung nabanggit ko kanina na parang humahaba ang inyong mga ngipin, yun pala, nagkakaroon na po kayo ng bone loss. And pag nagkaroon ng bone loss, your gum follows. Kasi wala na siyang support. Underneath, or kung saan naka-embed yung mga ngipin natin, it's not just gums, but there's a stronger structure, which is your bone, na kapag your body start to experience some bone loss, evident din siya sa inyong gums. So, you need calcium for that. And you don't want na mangyari yon bago po kayong mag-take ng calcium. We advise that you take this as soon as possible or starting now if you didn't start yet, or please start it with the young kids, with your children. Yung hindi pa nagkakaroon ng bone loss, to prevent it from happening in the short future. Okay? So it enhances the bone of not just our gum and teeth, but our bone in general. And then, ang role din nitong calcium na to is tumutulong na neutralize ng acid kasi, we eat, and then like I mentioned a while ago, the bacteria feed on the food debris that we did not clean, the sugar, and they produce more acid, kaya nagkakaroon na ng tooth decay. Nawawala na yung tigas ng enamel, nagkakaroon na ng cavity. So, this calcium will help also in acid neutralization and remineralization. Kapag nanghihina yung ating enamel, with the calcium phosphate, nagkakaroon ng nagre-remineralize siya, tumitigas siya ulit. Okay? And then, it is paired with the vitamin D for faster absorption, better absorption, and the magnesium to help the vitamin D become more active. Okay? That's the role of this.